The define scope process is about writing the project scope statement. The key inputs are the requirements documentation and assumptions log. The work in this process is done as described in the scope management plan. This process defines the boundary around the scope of the project and the product to help control scope creep. The process will consider only the approved requirements for defining scope, because there can be requirements recorded that are either ignored or postponed. The scope statement will list the deliverables and acceptance criteria besides other information. In agile projects, this process is repeated with every iteration as it is an ongoing process. There are few techniques used during define scope process. One technique is expert judgment. The project team will involve subject matter experts to define the scope. Another technique is alternative analysis. There can be various ways a requirement can be met. Alternative analysis is used to analyze and select the most appropriate option. Think of a situation where there are multiple ways to go from point A to point B. Which way is the best? Cost of each option, how long each option will take, how risky is each option? Are resources available for various options? And similar other information has to be pondered upon before deciding which option is best. Say an approved stakeholder requirement is, I need to see yesterday's total sales. Now, alternative analysis is to see how this information can be provided to the stakeholder. A daily printed report, or a daily email with the information, or daily website update, or real-time continuous update. Which option is best? The best option can be selected by comparing those options against various factors like time, cost, quality, etc. Another technique is product analysis. This technique is used to uncover, discover, and define product characteristics by looking deeper into the desired product. There are many product analysis techniques. Almost all of them work by decomposing the product or deliverable into smaller components to define in detail. The main output of the process is the project scope statement, which is then used for creating the work breakdown structure.